Hello, dear Family First families. Today, April 24th, words have the power to paint emotions, tell stories, and create magic. Today, on Poem Day, gather your family and let creativity flow as you write a poem together. Start by choosing a theme: family, nature, love, or a fun memory. Let each family member add a line, making it a special creation filled with imagination and emotions. Once your poem is ready, bring it to life. Read it aloud, sing it, or even act it out. Want to take it up a notch? Decorate your poem with drawings or turn it into a colourful wall poster. Poetry enhances creativity, improves language skills, and strengthens family bonds. This Poem Day, let your words dance, let your thoughts shine, and let your family create a masterpiece together. Family life skills, calendar, cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the Family First team. Thank you and all the best.